Guys, this is Abigail again. So I'm in my bed just relaxing. So I'm gonna do the weird noises challenge with my sister. So we're gonna make weird noises. You have to subscribe. What's the weirdest noise? So if you subscribe and that, you get a free mini toy. So.
And your dreams.
Well, it's true. So then just subscribe and like this video, then you'll get it. So then we're going to do it. Vote for who's the most funniest. Right, I'm going to go first. Make a different sound, Becky. So I'm going to make another weird sound. Make one. Wait, no. Go, Becky. I'm gonna do mine.
I will always love you.
Right, guys, that's the end of the video. Vote down below and tell who you like. Okay, bye.